Oatmeal provides soluble fiber, which supports digestion and helps keep you full, while avocado adds extra fiber, aiding bowel regularity. Avocado contains monounsaturated fats that lower bad cholesterol LDL, while oatmeal's beta-glucan helps reduce cholesterol levels. The complex carbohydrates in oatmeal release energy slowly, keeping you energized throughout the day. And avocado's fats help maintain energy levels. Rich in antioxidants, oatmeal contains avenanthromides with anti-inflammatory properties, while avocado is packed with vitamin E, protecting your cells from oxidative damage. Supports weight management. This combination is filling and nutrient-dense, helping you feel satisfied and less likely to snack on unhealthy foods. The fiber in both oatmeal and avocado helps regulate blood sugar levels, making this meal ideal for those managing diabetes. Avocado's healthy fats and vitamins, combined with oatmeal's minerals, help hydrate and nourish the skin from within. Oatmeal and avocado together provide a good amount of protein, essential for muscle repair and overall health. Supports digestive health. The fiber content in both foods promotes a healthy digestive system, preventing constipation and supporting gut health. Improves brain function. Avocado's omega-3 fatty acids support cognitive function. All the B vitamins in oatmeal help boost brain health and mental clarity. Avocado provides vitamin C, E, K, B6, and folate, while oatmeal is rich in magnesium, iron, and zinc, essential for overall body function. Low calories, high in nutrients. This meal is nutrient-dense but low in calories, making it a great option for anyone looking to eat healthier without excess calories. Promotes healthy cholesterol levels. Oatmeal soluble fiber helps reduce LDL cholesterol, and avocado's monounsaturated fats promote higher levels of good cholesterol HDL, enhances eye health. Avocados are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that support a health and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Reduces inflammation. Both oatmeal and avocado have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce chronic inflammation in the body. Keeps you hydrated. Avocados contain water and essential electrolytes, helping maintain proper hydration, while oatmeal absorbs liquid, further contributing to hydration. Improves gut health. The fiber in oatmeal acts as a prebiotic, feeding healthy gut bacteria, while the fiber in avocado aids overall digestion and gut function. Quick, easy preparation. This meal can be made in just 10 minutes, making it a convenient and healthy breakfast or snack when you're short on time. Customizable and flavorful. Add toppings like honey, nuts, seeds, or a sprinkle of salt to elevate the flavor, making this combo both nutritious and delicious. Ideal for any time, whether for breakfast, lunch, or a midday snack. This oatmeal and avocado combo provides a balanced mix of carbs, fats, and protein, perfect for fueling your day.